Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix WaaSMedicSvc failed to read Descripton error code 2. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and system, click and expand current control set, click and expand services. Click WaaSMedicSvc. Open Description, change value data in Description. Open Display Name, change value data in Description. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.